after having a whirlwind tour for 2 weeks. The 2024 Eclipse tour was an exciting adventure, but not only to see the eclipse, but our bus visited many sacred sites. Wayne May joined us as we visited many of the mounds and ancient American sites, and we were able to visit with him and have him teach us his knowledge. We also have snippets of our tour to give you kind of a behind the scenes look at what it was like to go on the tour. Rhonda and Farrell are going to be releasing their Come Follow Me's as normal, but we are also going to be releasing smaller versions of them on tour. Wayne May was able to join us for 3 days on the tour.
That's these guys right here. Boom, boom. And here's the final. This is Jaredite. This is Hopewell. We don't know, did they fill this in, or the Jaredites fill this in? That's what we don't know for sure.
And many others as they take us through some of the most amazing holy sites here in the United States of America. We've got some great sites, some great pictures, great video, great interviews that we're going to be introducing over the next several weeks and months probably with some of the tour footage. And we're able to see a lot of the Native American ancient sites. He was able to take us to several of the mounds. We also were able to see several important Christian sites, some things that you may not know exist. We've got some great footage and some great things from that. We also were able to go to many of the LDS sites, and including Adam and others. So we're going to be releasing some of this footage. And right now, Rhonda and Farrell have immediately upon returning from the tour, went to the Holy Land where we've been watching them. This week, they're not going to be doing a standard Come Follow Me, but we're going to release this today. This was a recording they did a couple of days ago, live from Israel, and we are excited about their mission there and their trip there.
Okay, so when the gathering... One comment. Probably around 30 minutes. Woo! That's so cool. Let's go now. You see that?
You can actually see a star.
Whoa! There it goes. There it goes.